In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate working days in Google Sheets. First, make sure you have clear start and end dates in your sheet. Place them in two cells, like A2 for the start date and B2 for the end date. It's important that these are true date values, not text that looks like a date. If Google Sheets recognizes them as dates, they'll align to the right, and you can change their display using format, number, and date. If you see anything inconsistent, re-enter the dates or use the date picker to avoid formatting issues. Also, keep in mind your locale's date format. For example, 02/01/2026 can mean February 1st or January 2nd, depending on your settings. Next, think about your weekend schedule. If your work week is the standard Monday through Friday with Saturday and Sunday off, you can use the simple network days function and let it handle weekends automatically. If your organization has a different weekend, such as Friday, Saturday, or only Sunday off, switch to network days NTL. That version lets you customize which days are considered non-working. When you start typing the function, Sheets will show you the weekend options right in the tooltip, so you can pick the pattern that matches your schedule. Now, include holidays. Create a small list of holiday dates in a separate range, for example, D2 through D5. Each entry should be an actual date value. This list tells Sheets to exclude those days from the working day count, even if they fall on a weekday. It's a good idea to keep this range neat and named, and to format it as dates for clarity. Finally, enter your formula. Click into the cell where you want the result and type network days A2, B2, D2, D5. This will return the total number of business days between your start and end dates, inclusive of both ends, automatically removing Saturdays, Sundays, and any dates in your holiday list. If you don't have holidays to exclude, you can leave off the third argument and use exact network days A2, B2. If your schedule isn't Saturday, Sunday, use network days INTL, with the weekend setting that matches your needs while still referencing the same holiday range. If the result looks off, double check that your dates are valid, your end date is on or after the start date, and your holiday cells contain date values. For consistent results when copying formulas down a column, consider locking the holiday range with $signs so it stays fixed. And that's it, your working days calculation is ready to use.